Where are they? They're just disappearing into the wall of trees. Okay, Quentin, tell us what's with the goggles.
So
Bring me the GoPro. Family is learning a little survival 101. They're learning how to make fire with sticks.
Not on my foot, bud.
go down all the way, Quentin.
You better not put this in. You better not put that in.
So we're going for a little bike ride. Hopefully it's not too windy and you guys can hear us.
Yeah, they are.
So it's in the middle of the afternoon and the sun has actually come out. It's about 18 degrees. We went for a nice bike ride as you saw there, and now we're sitting around by the fire, having an early fire.
It is a lion.
Doing some little crafts and crosswords and stuff like that. And it's a lion.
And we're trying
And
to fire with
look, we actually have sun. I don't know if you can make that out there, but there's actually sun.
trying to make fire without any.
Yes, and that's what I was going to show everyone.
Cutting the hole for me.
They're the family is learning a little survival 101. They're learning how to make fire with
Not on my
sticks.
foot, bud.
They were going to do a bow drill, but they didn't have all the stuff for a bow drill, so they're just trying to do a friction. What's it called? A friction stick? Or I don't know what it's called. So Darren's cutting it out. If that slips and falls, you know what artery you're gonna cut. Then if we come over here, pardon the music. Hold on. There you go. Turn it off. Megan's doing a nice little trick here, and she's doing it too. But oh, she's using. Look at that. There's a natural little groove in there for the knot of the wood. How's it going, Megan? Is it? You should touch in there to see if it's actually hot.
I just switched back to here.
Was it hot? Is it?
I was here and then I moved to here. Just like.
Is it hot?
Not
You'll
yet.
know when you start doing it because it'll start turning black around there. And Julie and Quentin are having a little game over there, while the sun, as you can see, is being awesome. Okay, Megan's got the bow drill method down pat here, and here she goes. This is how it's done, folks. If you don't want to survive naked and afraid, this is how you do it. Don't be naked though, Megan. Just afraid.
No naked.
See how it works? Good job. You keep doing that for about half an hour. Don't stop, and you'll have a fire.
This is hotter than this.
Well, either one, whichever one. Really, it is. Oh, I wonder what. I wonder why. And Julie here is making some traditional Eskimo pies. No, what are you making? Oh, it's a secret.
Campfire ice cream cones.
Oh, campfire ice cream cones. It
Or
involves
s'more
those.
cones. Campfire s'more cones.
Oh,
Hi,
nice.
look at me and
Wait,
Quentin. We're making a
Wait,
bungee
can I say
cord.
something?
And Quentin and Abby are making something.
It's gonna be a long skipping.
Okay.
Hey,
What would you like to say,
everyone,
Miss
Everyone
Canada?
go like my TikTok.
Yes. Oh, no! No!
Dance, Julie.
Okay.
Hey, Larry.
Doing the worm. Ready? I'm gonna do the worm half the back. So spread it out. Move back. Move back. A lot. A lot. Okay, that's
Oh,
good.
it's
Ready?
like caramel.
No, after.
Okay, and Andrew made a bow and arrow. Whoa, that's pretty cool.
I mean, my dad made it. Like it's
So it's dinner time. We have the air fryer going. We brought the air
I need a
fryer.
slingshot.
We have the stove going here with boiled water and some frying vegetables and stuff like that. And then we have the barbecue going. This is so great. We've got everything. We even have a fridge here. We have a cook here. Okay, so this is our drink of the weekend. A little Bailey's salted caramel.
Can we cheers?
Cheers. And we're trying to cheers, but everyone wants to catch the moment socially on social media.
Look at that.
Hi, vlog.
Okay, got
Did
it.
you get it?
I think so.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Say hi.
perfect, Darren.
So what's in the Bailey's?
Say hi.
Hi.
You guys want to say hi? Tastes good, eh?
What's in the Bailey's to make it the caramel?
So it's salted caramel.
No, I know,
I don't know what the ingredients are. I didn't read it.
Oh, like it's a liqueur, like a salted caramel liqueur.
No, it's Bailey's salted caramel.
Oh, it's actually. Oh, this is actually just Bailey's
okay.
bottle.
I thought
Okay.
it was a mix. Okay.
Over the fire.
So we've got tinfoil little triangular
If you put on all
things in here.
Campfire s'more
They're,
cones.
they're called
Turn that one.
this one.
Campfire s'more.
They're called Campfire S'mores, and we made a little makeshift grill here with an old barbecue, and the flames were getting a little bit too high
You know
for it.
what? You're really on the edge there. You keep moving that grill, they're gonna all fall in.
That's okay. I can move the grill.
Oh yeah.
Oh my,
Yeah.
they're about to all fall.
So it's coming off this end.
No,
Edge
it's
here.
all off the other end.
Oh my god.
Dad, look at that one. Look at that one. Look at that one.
Lift it up there, and I'm pushing.
Oh
I'm
my god, oh
pushing.
my god, oh my god.
Okay, there we go. See?
Crisis averted.
Look at that. It's on this edge there. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So, like I said, it's makeshift, right?
Something's burning. I can smell it.
Oh, I smell something burning. Yes. Want to take them off now?
Take them off. What you do? If someone,
It's like
if
a
you're not the imposter, when you're not the, it would look like a
It's
fish.
not hot. It's not hot. It's not hot, Wayne.
It's not hot.
When you're not the imposter and someone else is, and when they kill you, you go to this place. This is where they
Guys,
send all the dead people.
guys, check that.
Wait, Julie, you know
That
what'd be
one
good? You know what'd be good if you put it all the stuff and then you put actual
Put it on
ice
the very
cream on
end,
top of it.
Oh,
I've seen that too.
Put it what?
Put
You
it
put
where?
actual ice cream on top of it as well.
Yeah, I seen that.
Me too.
Oh, wait, no.
Is that better for you, Julie?
Indirect heat.
Guys, check one. I don't
Indirect. See it through the cone and it touched my finger and it hurt.
Oh, you're such a wuss. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay, that's perfect. You don't have to eat the bottom. You can stop right there. But look inside. Look inside. That looks delicious.
No, you burnt my finger.
It's pretty good. What?
Oh no.
I'll take the burnt ones. Don't worry. I like
Some of them maroon. Let's go see.
Get
the-
too soft.
Oh,
Some of them are no good.
oh, some of them just got two. Okay.
Freeze them.
So yeah, direct fire, no good.
Do not do this in direct fire.
Well,
This one is not even done.
Can I have that?
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll
see,
put it
this
back
one's
in.
not
Here,
even
Put it
done.
back in.
They're hit and miss.
I like that one when it's not done.
Okay, you have
Wrap it
some.
back up.
No, she
Which
wants
one's
it.
burnt?
This one is melted.
Perfect.
Like
Not burnt.
no, it's too soft to eat.
There,
This one is the
stuck.
same.
Yeah, mine.
Some of them are too much.
I don't like
Okay, no, let me see. There, you go. Okay, that one's a little torched.
That one's. Oh, this one's perfect actually.
Oh, okay, this is what they
This
should
is
look like.
Do you want the perfect one? I'll give it to
The
you.
bottom is a little burnt, but otherwise
You don't have
it's
to eat the bottom.
perfect.
Look at that
It's
thing
hot.
of beauty.
Ooh, it's hot.
Forget what we
Hot,
said.
H-A-W-T. So here we're roasting, what are we, roasting wieners, hot dogs on the fire. I think yours is done, Quentin. Megan, yours is looking pretty good. And Andrew, you got a little while ago. So we're at this place called Hogg Falls, Hogg's Falls with 2 G's, and we're gonna go check out the falls. Darren, Tammy, and the kids are up there, and we're gonna go down here to the falls. the money we spent on Aspire.
Throw it off.
This is slippery.
Yeah, it is slippery. Hey, Quentin, you want to go now?
Yeah.
Who's up?
I'll be here. Okay, I'll be here.
Don't, it's not a race, buddy.
It's not a race.
Take your time. Slippery, you're right. Here, rubbing it.
Kind of walk in the water.
Ready? Can you watch a second?
Watch out, back up, Quentin.
I had to like jump onto this bridge. Can you get off? I can get down.
Whoa. And there is Eugenia Waterfall.
Climb up, baby.
So that was called Eugenia Falls, just right down the street from the other falls. What was the other falls we went to again? Hogg's Falls. So Hogg's Falls and Eugenia Falls are fairly close by. So now we're going for a little hike back to our car. It was fun. Nice weather, fun outing. So, as a Thanksgiving tradition, camping or not camping, we're having sous chalet. The Festivus for the rest of us.
And stuffing. And I have pizza.
And you have boring pizza
And Quentin has deep fried pickles and a burger.
and a burger. But
deep
it's
fried
still Thanksgiving.
We have pie.
Everyone, Quentin started the fire.
Okay.
Amazing.
So we just learned the Guyanese alphabet. And then we also learned that Darren is very heavy-handed at mixing drinks.
And also, one of the words was,
Don't say the word.
okay, fine.
Oh, my horse is burning.
So that's it for our trip. Our trip is over. Our camping season is over for 2020. It was a weird year, but you know what? We got in, hey Abby, we got in a lot of camping. 10 trips. We made 10 trips. I don't know how many days in total. Julie probably keeping track of that in terms of days, but if I tally the total days, I'll put it down below here. But it was fun. Next year we have big plans. Season, I guess it'd be season 3. Yep, season 3, big plans, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a long winter. I gotta winterize this puppy and stuff like that, but you know what, we'll get to it, and we'll see you next season.